How to turn off comments on Instagram posts. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Instagram application on your device and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see this interface or the home page of Instagram, from where you'll be able to explore the various newsfeed or the post. So in order to turn off the comments on Instagram post, you need to first switch out to the post in which you want to turn off the comment. For that, you have to tap on your profile at the right bottom corner, and here you'll be able to see all of your posts. So select the specific one in which you want to turn off the comment, and you have to tap on the three-dotted vertical line at the right hand side of the post. And here is the option for turn off commenting. Simply tap over there, and here you can see comments are off, reviews control option is seen. That means none can comment on your post. So this is how you can turn off comments on Instagram posts. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.